are Jelke and Daniel, and we made the TorqAmp. The TorqAmp is an electric compressor specially designed for the automotive aftermarket. This means we made an electric turbo or an electric supercharger that can blow air under pressure into your engine. We call this boost. The TorqAmp can boost any engine. Turbocharged, naturally aspirated, any kind of fuel, the TorqAmp can boost it. On this naturally aspirated Honda, the TorqAmp resulted in 23% more power and 38% more torque. That's why we call it the TorqAmp.
This Subaru STI is equipped with a large turbo, resulting in huge turbo lag. Thanks to the TorqAmp, we completely eliminated the turbo lag and increased the torque with 50% at 3000 RPM.
The TorqAmp consists of a power box, a set of 4 cables, a motor controller, and of course, the TorqAmp compressor itself. In the past 3 years, we developed many prototypes. They were all tested over their limits. This resulted in a 500-watt charging system, a 5 kilowatt motor, and a special lithium battery. Our final design is high-tech, robust, and very compact. In our laboratory, we can test the TorqAmp standalone. We can measure pressure, temperature, and mass flow. Our final design can boost 6 psi, which is about 0.4 bar. And we can move about 170 grams per second, which is 23 pounds per minute.
Because we are a spin-off of a technical university, we can use all those great test facilities, such as this standalone motor.
The TorqAmp is designed to be installed quick and easy. Basically, everyone could do it. It's just a matter of taking out the original air intake, place the TorqAmp with a silicone hose, install 4 cables, and place the power box at a nice spot. For optimal power output, some cars need the ECU to be remapped. So why choose for the TorqAmp instead of a traditional turbocharger or a belt-driven supercharger? Well, with the TorqAmp, you do not put a load on your engine like with belt-driven superchargers, nor do you experience lag nor threshold with the TorqAmp. So why are we in Kickstarter? Well, we completely finished the product, tackled the best suppliers, and are ready for series production. We want to get out there. We want to get our product in the market, and it can only be done by you, the early adapters from Kickstarter that are always looking for the best and newest technologies available. So pledge now if you want to be one of the first in the world with a TorqAmp.